Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start on safety. Confirm power to the receiver is off and disconnect cokes at the wall to prevent damage. Put on gloves and non-slip shoes, set a 6/8 FT ladder on firm ground, and clip into a harness if roof work is required. Once done, have your helper steady the ladder and hand tools up. Mark bolt positions with a marker so you know orientation. This initial preparation prevents drops and preserves alignment for reinstallation. You now loosen the mount. Support the dish with one hand while you break the azimuth and elevation bolts loose, turning each just a quarter to a half turn to avoid sudden slips. Once both mount clamps are free, have your helper hold the dish while you remove the main mast clamp bolts. Then remove the LNB arm screws and coax connection. Make sure to bag and label each bolt, and take a photo of the setup so reassembly is straightforward, and you finish by coordinating the lower. With your helper, lift and tilt the dish straight down, avoiding twisting the mast which can snap threads. Once clear, set the dish on a padded surface and inspect cokes, seals, and brackets for corrosion or stripped threads. Replace any compromised parts. If a bolt won't budge, apply penetrating oil, wait 10-15 minutes, then tap the bolt head gently and retry. If it still resists, cut the bolt as a last resort. This ensures a safe removal and clear path for repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.